Hey guys, what's up? So today I am going to do an empties video. I haven't done an empties video in a very long time. It's totally old YouTube, but I love it. So basically I kept all my trash. Dun dun dun. I kept all my trash because I'm going to share with you and show you everything that I've emptied out and everything that I've completely used and give you my full review and thoughts on that product. Would I buy it again? Did I think it was worth it after I used it all gone? And the thought behind this is that I know what I'm talking about because I used it all gone, so I should have a pretty good opinion, right? Right? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So I have a lot of products and a lot of like shower products, I feel like. But let's just get straight into it. So I have two wipes here. So this one is the Derma E Hydrating Facial Wipes with Hyaluronic Acid. I actually really like these. I love the Derma E skincare line, and I love these for the morning after, you know, I did my skincare, went to bed, I woke up in the morning before I either wash my face or I don't wash my face. Sometimes I don't wash my face in the morning. I just use a wipe and just clean my whole face and put on moisturizer. And that's kind of what I use these for. So it's in the morning time when I wake up, I just quickly use these all over my face. It hydrates my face, it doesn't dry my face out, it doesn't sting my eyes. I just really do like these. These are really nice. Next I have these ones. These are the Bolero Cleansing Facial Wipes in Italian Pear. These are actually from the dollar store. You guys, if you find these at the Dollar Tree, pick them up. They're really good. I always recommend you testing out a product though on your wrist to make sure you're not going to have an allergic reaction to it. But I really like these, especially for kind of after I've taken off my makeup, just one more quick swipe to make sure, or I use these to take off makeup off my hands. I do use these to take off makeup off my face sometimes. If I don't have a lot of makeup, it was kind of a natural day, I would just quickly swipe over and then cleanse my face. So I really like these, and for the price, there's 30 in here for $1. That means for $1 a month you can have makeup wipes, and they smell really good. So I actually really like these. I'm gonna clean my workspace here because... Okay, next I have 4 body washes that I've gone through. So I have 2 of these Mango Coconut Hydrating Body Washes from Members Mark. I think this is like a Sam's Club brand or something like that. And I like these. These are nice. These aren't my favorite. These, I mean, it smells good. It does what it's supposed to, but I honestly can't smell it when I'm outside the shower. So it does wash, it does cleanse, but this is kind of not my favorite. I put this in the guest bathroom because it's not, I can't smell it after I've washed my body. Like when I dry myself off, I can't smell it anymore, and I want something that I can smell. So these are okay though. These, for the price, they're very affordable, so they're okay. They did their job. They cleansed my body, I'm pretty sure. The other 2 body washes that I really love are these Dove Winter Care Nourishing Body Wash. This was a limited edition, but you might find them again now that it's starting to become winter time again, and I just really love these. Dove always has really good body washes. They are really hydrating and moisturizing and soft, and they smell very clean. This isn't one that I'm going to smell throughout the day, but it is one that I'm going to notice a difference in my skin because my skin is really soft, it gets hydrated, it's not so dry. So these ones are good, but Dove always has really good products. I love Dove. Next, I did go through my Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. This is the pink one for all skin types, even sensitive skin. I do like these. I did like this. I did like it. If you like micellar water, this is a good one from the drugstore to try. But honestly, this has no alcohol and no fragrance and no oil. This one never took off my eyeliner. It didn't do a good job with that, or the mascara. But around the face, it did a good job of taking everything else off. Honestly, I don't use this anymore because I use my halo, my face halo, to take off my makeup. So I don't really need this, but I wouldn't mind repurchasing this to kind of put all over my face after I've taken everything off with my face halo, just to make sure that my skin is really clean. But besides that, I mean, this was a good product. It did sting my eyes a little tiny bit, just so you know. Okay, so next is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. It's fruity and cheeky cherry. I'm actually about to run out of my other one that I have. I have a different dry shampoo from a different brand that absolutely is terrible. It sucks. It S-U-C-K sucks. But this one I actually really love, this cherry one. I think I'm gonna go back and get another one of these BATES because, I mean, there's a reason why everybody loves these, because it really does a good job of sucking up the oils and really making your hair feel and smell clean. And I really like that because I don't like washing my hair every single day because I have color in it and it's dry and it's just, I don't like it. So I like this one, the BATES. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing it. Okay, next I have this is the Beauty Secret Moisturizing to Help the Skin Appear Smooth and Firm from Bell, and it is a facial mask. I do like this one. It is nice. I don't notice the biggest difference, but this one's a nice facial mask. I actually went through a couple of these from different brands, but I forgot to keep them in here. So this is the only one I have, and it's okay. I like it because it came in a BoxyCharm, I think, or an Ipsy or something like that, but it's not like my 100% favorite. Like hyaluronic acid, it's kind of hydrating, but I didn't really notice a big, like I wouldn't buy this again, is what I'm trying to say. I didn't notice a big difference. Okay, I went through a nail polish remover from Equate. This is a good brand to get nail polish remover from. I went through a Dove Advanced Care deodorant, and this one is in, it's the cucumber one, Cool Essential ones. I love this one. I love Dove deodorants. They're really good. I have that one. Okay, I went through this foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi, and this one was in W6. I like it. I'm actually a W5, but this is kind of when I'm a little bit tanner, but I like it. The L'Oreal Lumi is a really good foundation. I mean, it's the only foundation here that I've gone through, so I do love it. It's good. Okay, so I have this concealer. Is the only concealer. So this is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. I like it. It's not my favorite because it doesn't have a lot of coverage, but for natural days, for if you don't need a lot of coverage, if you're young, this is a good concealer. It does have a doe foot applicator, and I use the shade Light Medium, and it's good. It's just not my favorite because it's light coverage, but if you want something like coverage, this is a good one. Okay, so I went through a Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream for wavy hair. This was a little sample, and I actually do love this, and I think I am going to go buy a full size of it because it really is good. I love putting it in my hair at night before I go to bed or in the morning when it's just natural, so this is a really good one. Okay, I went through a sample size of the Smashbox Photo Finish. It's good. It's a good silicone primer. I like it. It's oil-free, and it's a good one. I mean, everybody talks about that one. Okay, I went through a ton of mascaras, guys, and I just kind of accumulated them. I don't know how long it's been since I've done an empties video, but I have a few. So I have the CoverGirl, the Supersizer. It's not my favorite. I don't like it. I don't like the brush. I can tell you that right off the bat. The Maybelline Last Sensational Full Fan Effect. This one's okay. It's not my favorite. I felt like it dried out really quickly. This one, the Pure Big Look Waterproof with Argan Oil foundation. Again, this one's kind of like a mediocre mascara. Sorry, not foundation, mascara. Mediocre mascara. It's not my favorite. I'm very picky with mascaras because I feel like just a lot of them make my lashes look short. I don't want short lashes. You know what I mean? Do you want short lashes? I don't want short lashes. So this one is not my favorite, and it's waterproof, and I don't really feel like it was waterproof for me, I think. I'm pretty sure this one like kept smudging. This one I love. So this one is the Limelight Perfect Black Mascara. This does have little fibers in it. Or does it? Is this the one that has fibers in it? I think it does have little fibers in it, and I do think this one volumizes, it lengthens. I really like it. Limelight, one of those really cool brands you can get from a representative, but I really like the mascara. And then the Volume Lash Paradise. This one is just, I'm so like unsure. I actually have this one, and I just ran out of another one. Oh, I also ran out of this one. Okay, I have a ton of mascaras I haven't even put in here yet. The Zoom In, the Clinique one. Pretty sure I ran out of another Lash Paradise, but I just threw it away. This one dries out so quickly. It dries out so quickly, and then it starts clumping my lashes. But at first it works nice. I don't know. I like the Better Than Sex mascara a lot better than this one. That's probably my favorite mascara of all time. This one's okay. I mean, it's drugstore, so that's nice. This one is the Flower Beauty Zoom In Ultimate Mascara. This one's good for lengthening, but other than that, I mean, it does cool stuff with the brush. Other than that, I'm not a big fan of this one. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I'm not gonna get this one again. I didn't like it. Yeah, I didn't like it. Then I also have the Clinique Lash Doubling Mascara. This one is okay. I don't feel like it gave me volume. I like the brush so that I can get in the lower lashes, but if I do the lower lashes, then it basically will smudge throughout the day. So this one is not my favorite either. Clinique, not my favorite either. So boo on those. And then I have a bunch of eyeliners and, wait a minute. Okay, I also have an e.l.f. mascara that was just terrible. e.l.f. do never get their mascaras. They're terrible. This one I can't even, it's terrible. Okay, and then I have a couple of liquid eyeliners. So this one is from NYC. It's really nice, but I heard it was discontinued, the NYC liquid liner. Sad, makes me really, really sad. Also the LA Colors Graphics eyeliner. I like this one. It's one of those ones that has like the sponge tip, and this is for like someone that likes fat eyeliner. I feel like this one's better for fat eyeliner, but it's a really good one from the drugstore. And then this one is this is the Maybelline Brow Drama Sculpting Brow Mascara. I don't know what's going on with the end of it, why they made it so fat there. I don't think that this is good for me because my eyebrows will go every which way and they're very, very crazy. But if you don't have very crazy eyebrows, if you don't need a lot of hold, this might be a good one from the drugstore Maybelline. But I personally right now, oh, I have another one. Oh guys, see what I'm talking about? I have a bunch of things here and I almost ran out of this one too. So I really like the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel right now. This one is a good one and I'm almost done with that one. But I also have this one, the Jordana Fabu Brow Shape and Set Gel. Again, another good one, but it's just so teeny. I run out of it so quickly. But this one's a good one. This one's a really good one. Okay, so some eyebrow products. This one is the Flower Beauty Draw the Line. I like this. I like this a lot. I wish it came in a thinner brow pencil, but this one, the formula is really nice and pigmented, and I actually really like this one. Then the L'Oreal Brow Stylist and Definer. This is another one that I like, but I feel like this one runs out so quickly. I don't know why it is. I got it in Lash Brunette. Let's see how much product is in this one. Yeah, this one has a lot less product than this one does. So it's not a lot of product and it's very thin. They should at least make it more product since it's thinner than these thicker ones, and just put more product in here. And then I have another Flower Beauty one. This one is a taupe. What color is it? This one's the color Blonde that I really like as well. So Flower Beauty brow pencils are my favorites. This one's okay. I mean, the L'Oreal Brow Stylist is okay. It's not my favorite. I like right now, the product I use right now is the MAC Brow Shape and Brow Tint, something like that. I like that one, the pen. I also have the Mr. Right Now from the Balm eyeliner pencil. This one's a pretty cool color. It's in the color Jack, and it's like this color, but it just dried out and it didn't function. So I don't know, this dried out way too quickly. And then last I have the Midnight in Paris Essence Gel Eyeliner. Again, I didn't even get through it. Like, it just dried out. This is a really good one and it's really affordable, but it dried out. Probably because I have so much product. If you just have this one eyeliner, it will work great. This is a great one. The Essence one is a really great one to use. So that's everything in my empties. I can finally throw away my trash. I know I had a lot of beauty products and not a lot of makeup. Oh, last thing. Oh my gosh, last thing is just sitting there. Is the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in Nudist Peach. I'm very proud of myself for using this up. This is my favorite lipstick of all time, liquid lipstick of all time. There's like, I like kind of have been scraping it, and I can kind of scrape some off to show you. It's what I have on today. It's that color. It's just really, really pretty. These liquid catsuits are absolutely amazing. And yeah, I have it on today with another lipstick on top, but I already have another one. Have another one out and ready, but I do like the liquid catsuits. They're really, really good, and Nudist Peach is my absolute favorite. It's so beautiful. You guys need to pick this up. It's so beautiful. Okay, so that's it. That's everything that I have in my trash to go out, and my empties to go out in the trash. I really like filming these videos. I think they're fun, and this one's probably like fun and short, but I don't know, I think it's fun. I think it's fun to do these videos. Do you guys have anything that you ran through and that you have absolutely loved? Let me know in the comment section. What is something that you recently ran out of? Like, what are your thoughts on it? Just let's share a little bit with each other about kind of things that we've been running through. And I'm kind of that person that even if it sucks, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it up because I bought it and I spent my money on it. And I'm gonna, of course, save and collect my trash to share with you, my friends, here on YouTube, because that's the kind of person that I am. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like empties and you think I should keep doing it and kind of hold old YouTube and keep it alive. Give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, and hit the little tiny bell so you're notified of all my videos, so you don't miss out on any video, you don't get any videos skipped. It all goes into your notification feed. You have to hit that tiny bell. But I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for all your love, support, for your comments, because I know you're going to go down there and comment, right? You can tell me something. Comment something. Tell me something. You guys are absolutely amazing, seriously. I am on social media. I am on Instagram. I am on Snapchat. I am on Twitter. Go follow me there. It's Bondbeautyful everywhere. I would love to hear from you somewhere else other than just YouTube. But yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys in my next video.